charge $500 doing this. Customer called and said, walking cooler, not cooling. After a thorough diagnostic, I found out that the evaporator coil is dirty. Watch how I clean it and make it work again. Enjoy.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car, raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my head to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day